Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Ya Allah. Hello guys, I'm back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And this time, I want to talk about insurance. Accident dialogues are insurance, the event that constitutes the trigger of a claim shall be fortuitous or at least outside the control of the beneficiary of the insurance. The loss shall be pure in the sense that it results from an event for which there is only the opportunity for cost. Events that contain speculative elements such as ordinary business risks or even purchasing a lottery ticket are generally not considered insurable. Next clause, the size of the loss must be meaningful from the specific of the insured insurance premium need to cover both the expected cost of loss plus the cost of issuing and administering the policy, adjusting loss, and simply the capital needs to reasonably assure that the insured will be able to pay claims for small loss. This latter cost might be several times the size of the expected cost of loss. There is rarely any point in paying such costs unless the protection offered has real value to the buyer. Affordable premium. If the likelihood of an insured event is so high or the cost of of the event so large, then the resulting premium is relative to the amount of protection offered, then it is not likely that insurance will be purchased even if an offer. Furthermore, as the accounting profession formally recognized in financial accounting standard, the premium can be so large that there is not a reasonable chance of a significant loss to the insured. If there is not such chance of loss, then the transaction might have the form of insurance but not the instant. Next, calculability. There are two documents that must be less estimable if not formally calculable: the probability of loss and the attendant cost. Probability of loss is generally an empirical exercise, while cost has more to do with the ability of a reasonable person in possession of a copy of the insurance policy and a proof of loss associated with a claim presented under that policy to make a reasonable defense and object evaluation of the amount of the loss reckonable as a result of the claim. Limit risk of catastrophically large loss. Insurable loss are ideally dependent on non-catastrophic, meaning that the loss do not happen all at once and the individual loss are not severe enough to bankrupt the insurer. Insurer might prefer to limit their exposure, their loss from a single event to some small portion of their capital base, capital constitution, insurance ability to sell adequate insurance as well as win insurance in hurricane zone. In the United States, the federal government insurance flood risk in specifically identify areas in commercial fire insurance. It is possible to find single properties while the total expert value is well in excess of an individual insured capital constraints. Such property are generally shared among several insurers or are insured by a single insurance which syndicates the risk into the insurance market. Next, legal of insurance. When a company insures an individual entity, there are basic legal requirements and regulations. Several commonly listed legal principles of insurance include: 1. Indemnity. The insurance company indemnifies or compensates the insurer in the case of certain loss only up to the insurer interest. Benefit insurance, as it is stated in the statutes of the Carter Insurance Institute, the insurance company does not have the right of recovery from the party who caused the injury and must compensate the insurer regardless of the fact that the insurer had already sued the negligent party for the damage. For example, personal accident insurance. Insurable interest. The insurer typically must directly suffer from the loss. Insurable interest must exist whether property insurance or insurance on a person is involved. The concept requires that the insurer have a stake in the loss or damage to the life or property insured. What that stake is will be determined by the kind of insurance involved and the nature of the property ownership or relationship between the persons. Okay guys, this is for the question about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you next time.